Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is cocktail time with Jamie, so hope everybody had an awesome weekend. It is Monday afternoon, and it is cocktail time. So let's see, I'll give everybody a minute to join me because sometimes it takes a few minutes to log in. Sometimes it takes a minute, and lately around 4 o'clock it's been taking a little bit longer. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It was beautiful out, a nice weekend. Yesterday was I think it was a little chillier yesterday, but overall it was a nice weekend. We didn't have too much rain. I don't think we had any rain, did we, this weekend? No. So no rain. Aroma time was a little bit slower yesterday, but packed Friday and Saturday. Tonight we're going to be really busy. We have a wine dinner tonight, which is sold out, unfortunately. I've been turning reservations away today. We only have 5 o'clock reservations and 8 o'clock reservations available for this evening. It is going to be a busy night. So it's beautiful out. The sun is shining. Feels great. Hope everybody got out and did something. I did the spin bike today. I went for a walk yesterday. Hello everybody. Thank you for joining me. Hello Matthew. Hello Denny. Hello Christine. Hope everybody is having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be making a watermelon cooler, but before I make my cocktail of the day, our $9.99 takeout special this week is shrimp scampi with rice and broccoli, to go only. We have our regular menu available to go. We have, let's see, what else? Thursday night, we're planning on having jazz. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain. We've had to cancel the last couple of weeks because of rain. So fingers crossed that we don't have to cancel jazz on Thursday night. We're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We're excited. We're taking the kids away for 2 nights. So super excited about that. We're going to be going up north into Lake George. So if anybody has any suggestions on places to eat or places to check out, we're planning on hiking, biking, maybe renting a boat. So lots of cool stuff. We haven't taken a family vacation since Courtney turned 16. She'll be 22 this year. So what is that, 4 or 5 years, almost 6 years that we haven't been away as a family. And before that, it was before Justin started sports in school. And once preseason started in August, we couldn't go away because it was preseason time and you had to have a certain number of practices. And so it's nice to have both kids around, to go away for a couple of days. We're super excited about that. So thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. See a lot of people joining in. So thank you. And that's it. So let me go ahead and make a summer watermelon cooler. It is 4 simple ingredients. We're going to use rum from Mad River in Vermont. I'm going to use some fresh grapefruit juice that I squeezed and some watermelon that I am going to get the juice out of. And I'm going to use a little agave as well. You can make this as sweet or as not sweet as you'd like. I think it's going to need just a little bit of sweetness in there, so I'm going to add a little bit of agave. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Kelly, hello Jason, hello Michael, hello Aileen. I'm going to add about 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. And I'm going to mix that on up. I'm going to actually shake it now. So I'm going to add ice. I'm going to shake it up. Thanks for watching me. I've been doing these Facebook Lives since last March of 2020. So if you like watermelon, there were some awesome recipes online for watermelon drinks. And I just, it's that time of the year. Enjoy the fresh fruits that are out there. I'm super excited about that. And I'm going to pour my watermelon cooler. So it's going to take a little bit to get it out of here because of the watermelon chunks. Let's see here. And there's plenty in there, so let me try it a different way, see if this will work. All right. Put this on there. That should work a little bit better. There we go. And there you have it, a watermelon cooler. Shake it on up. You can put a little watermelon on top, so you can dip the watermelon in. I like my drinks on the rocks, and let's go ahead and taste. So rum, watermelon juice, grapefruit juice, a little bit of agave, and that's it. Oop, I got a watermelon seed in here. Nice and refreshing. Great drink for the summer. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Ralph, hello Christine, Kelly. Yes, it is yummy. Hello Karen. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you're watching me, so that I know that you're here. And $9.99 special this week is our shrimp scampi to go. It is shrimp, white wine garlic, tomatoes with rice and broccoli. And hopefully there'll be jazz on Thursday night. Please, please, please call and make reservations if you plan on coming in. We'd love to have you, but we'd like to know that you're coming so we're not turning people away. We had to turn a lot of people away this past weekend. It was super busy. So I will not be on tomorrow. Maybe we'll be live. We're gonna go to a distillery up near Lake George. So we're excited about that. Visit a distillery up there, Springbrook Hollow, I think it's called. And we're gonna go biking and hiking, and I'm sure we'll be doing some Facebook Lives. Hopefully we can get the kids on there too. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and we will catch you soon.